I'll be honest with you, media is my favourite subject. And the reason why that is because it is really creative.
I chose media because it seemed like a lot of fun.
It wasn't something I'd done before and I thought it would be interesting to try out, and I've really enjoyed it so far.
In media, we look at how products can attract different people.
Media influences our everyday life. We are online a lot. It is important to know how and why things are made. It is also interesting to find out how magazines and posters in the media create a meaning.
We do things like Photoshop to make our own movie posters.
Doing Photoshop was my favourite part, and taking photos for it, because we just got to go out and about and do make our own stuff.
Studying media has helped me gain independent skills and helped me view things in more of a creative line of sight.
It really helped me with my English, which is obviously one of your core subjects. In media, you have to do a lot of analysing with connotations and denotations, which is another thing you do in English. So obviously media helps with your English as well, and now that I've done media, I find that my English is better and stronger.
It can help you get a job in the future because you need computer skills.
So media has helped me find out my own future career. I've decided that I want to go on and do an apprenticeship with something to do with media, maybe with the BBC or ITV. So really doing media has helped me broaden out my career choices.
I highly recommend it because it is really fun, really creative, and it's just a way to it's one of those subjects where you have a lot of control in as well, so that is why I recommend it.